and balancing passion. Now what is pressure is the work, but our passion is teaching, no? Because we were teachers. We started as teachers. We laugh to see when the student looks at us brightly, or when they harass me. That is also such a beautiful thing. When they give me nicknames, I often say, if teachers don't have a nickname, you fail to be a teacher. Like I always go to the schools and all. I said, you must be talking on this baldy, this tuckle, and they laugh. But it's obviously, if I'm tuckle, mujhe to tuckle bolenge na. And if the students are not going to call me, who is going to call me? You people are the sophisticated, cultured people. You will not call me baldy, right? But they are supposed to call me baldy. And then that is my nickname. It's wonderful to have. So then that is my passion. So that gives us joy. If any of you feel upset because you got a nickname, then it's very sad. In fact, you should feel very proud. Are mere ko moti bola, ye mere ko sukkar bola, mere ko ye bola, mere ko bola. It's nice. They are talking about. In other words, wo bolte hain na, badnaam hua to kya hua, naam to hua. It's something like that. You need to be in touch. So that passion and pressure making, where we succumb. Most of us, what happens is we succumb to the pressure, passion is gone. And जब मैं टीचर से प्रिंसिपल बन के मेरा पैशन ही चला गया, मैं क्या रहा? मैं कुछ रहा ही नहीं. And then I have become like a corporate manager. Come, do this, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Education में 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 होता है क्या? कभी नहीं हो सकता. Because it is the matter of स्पर्श. टच करना जरूरी होता है. जहाँ टच नहीं होता है, वहाँ पर एजुकेशन हो ही नहीं सकता. वहाँ पर लिटरेसी होता है. Now let's look at it. Are we making people literate or we are making them educated? That's a question I must ask. All of us are supposed to make them educated, not literate. But उसके लिए मुझे भी तो educated होना जरूरी है ना. मुझे education का मतलब, we are all degree holders. We are all literate people. But am I open? Am I संकोच है क्या मेरे मन में? बदलाव जो आ रहा है वो मैं अपने आप तक ले सकता हूँ क्या? उसके साथ मैं बदलता हूँ क्या? नहीं. डायलॉग मारते हैं, I am uninhibited, और कुछ बात करते हैं, क्या बात करता है, कुछ भी बोलता रहता है. I have heard. I was taking the master trainers training by the SSC board in Lonavala since almost I think 2007 or 2008. मैं ले रहा था 500-600 master trainers. I could actually काहे बकते थे, कुछ भी बकते हैं. अरे कुछ भी बकते तभी तो मैं नॉन इनहिबिटेड हूँ ना. कुछ भी वक्त में तो फालतू तो बकवास नहीं कर रहा था ना. I was talking the grey areas which you are not willing to address. Why are you not willing to address? Like adolescence, we are not willing to address, but you better address. Times have changed. आपको आंखों के तरफ आंखें में आंखें डाल के बात करनी पड़ेगी. आप नहीं बोल सकते listen, there is an adult now, you must understand. ऐसे करके बात करोगे तो they will not. You have to look. Adolescence में कोई पाप तो है ही नहीं, लेकिन हमारे मन में पाप है. पाप है या rather I will say संकोच है. So we therefore hesitate. So there are number of issues. Corruption हम लोग डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. करप्शन के लिए डिस्कस करने के लिए आपको कोई पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स के नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. But we end up doing all that and then से देखा अपने आप को सूप में डाल दिया. Why are we talking that? There are plenty of other things that can be spoken about. See, the adults, like when I talk in college, I will tell you what I do. कॉलेज और सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स को जब मैं बात करता हूँ करप्शन के बारे में, मैं बोलता हूँ दिस इज अ रिलेटिव टर्म. समटाइम्स सिस्टम्स हैव टू हैपन. Years ago in 1973-74, when I started my business, I had bought 3 galas and I bought 2 lakhs of rupees ka machine of printing. I'm a printing, and BMC asked me to pay